If I could talk to my 18-year-old self about money, I would keep it simple. I would tell you that money is not everything, but learning how to handle it early will protect your peace. Small savings matter more than you think. Even a tiny amount saved every week teaches discipline and gives you control over your future. I would tell you not to spend money to impress people. Most of the people you try to impress won't even stay in your life. Buy things that help you grow, not things that only look good for a moment. If I could guide you, I would say start investing early. Investing is like planting a small seed. You won't see results at first, but with time, it becomes strong enough to support your future. Even a few dollars invested consistently can change your life later. And I would remind you not to follow the crowd blindly. Everyone has opinions about money, but not everyone understands it. Think for yourself, go slow, and make choices that feel right to you. Finally, I would tell you this. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Every small step you take today will make your future stronger. One day, your older self will be proud of the way you started.